Plants have different shapes and sizes, shapes and sizes, shapes and sizes. Plants have different shapes and sizes, we see them everywhere. Some of them are tall and strong, tall and strong, tall and strong. Some of them are tall and strong with branches reaching sky. Some plants can climb up a wall, up a wall, up a
How many
wall.
types of
Some plants can
plants?
climb up a wall or stick or
How
a
many
tree.
types of plants?
Some plants spread on the ground. Some plants spread on the ground and move around the earth. Some plants stay bushy and short, bushy and short, bushy and short. Some plants stay bushy and short and their stems stay pretty thin. Some plants are very small, very small, very small. Some plants are very
Start.
small like grass and herbs you see.
Then
No!